Welcome to a very, very rainy summer day. It is extremely rainy here today, y'all. It's been raining since this morning, off and on. So it's a good day for some summer veggie stew, and that's what we're making. Got some butter in this pot over here. I just put the onion in there. Now I'm gonna chop up some carrots. And we like our carrots to stay pretty big when we do stews and soups and stuff. But I'm starting this a little later than I wanted to, so I'm gonna cut them into fours, but still leave them in the strips instead of chopping them completely up, because we like the big pieces of carrots in there. This summer veggie stew is really easy. I got a rotisserie chicken, and I thought about putting some of the chicken in the stew, but I think I'm just gonna serve it on the side. We've got that Cheesecake Factory brown bread that we're gonna have with this. Yeah, I think I'd just rather have the chicken on the side than in the stew this time, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, I think this is gonna be enough carrots. Now, we'll let those cook for about 7 minutes, then we'll add in this garlic. I'll go ahead and chop it up. Now you can put squash and zucchini in here. We have a lot of zucchini, so we're gonna be using all zucchini, and I'm not gonna worry about peeling this, but if you wanna peel it, you can. We're just gonna cut it in half, and then I'm gonna do little slices. Let me scooch these out of my way. So this is something else you can do with all the zucchini in your garden, if y'all also have an abundant supply of zucchini. What's your favorite zucchini bread, or zucchini fritters, or zucchini?
Chicken
Zucchini chicken nuggets? What? Alright, so we've got our carrots and onions in there. We're going to put in the garlic. I'm going to let that cook for just about a minute.
I think that's open it. Hey, hold on here.
Alright, we're going to put a little bit of all-purpose flour in here, just about 2 heaping tablespoons. And I'm going to coat the flowers, y'all. Okay, so let me just go ahead and tell y'all, I had one of those terrible migraines yesterday, and I still can't think straight a little bit. I told Jonah yesterday evening, I told him to put the, what did I tell him, Cece? Put the tables under the chair. And he was helping me clean the kitchen up. I meant to say put the chairs, anyway, that's why, you know, y'all know after you have one of those headaches, it takes your brain a minute to come back to you. What was I saying? We're gonna coat the carrots and the onions and the garlic in the flour. Now, we're gonna put in 1 cup of chicken broth. All right, we'll mix that all together. Now, I had it down on simmer. I'm gonna turn it back up to medium. We're gonna put in some salt and pepper, a little bit of dried thyme. Oh yes, we're getting a very nice thickness. That's wonderful. I'm gonna put a little more chicken broth. I think we'll end up using close to this whole carton. It's 32 ounces, I believe. Now I'm gonna put in some heavy cream, 1 cup of heavy cream. We're putting in 1 can of drained corn. I'm looking for the, oh, found them, red pepper flakes going in.
Red pepper flakes.
We're gonna go ahead and put our zucchini in here. I'll keep a watch on it and see if we need to add any more broth, because it will get thicker, you know, as it sits over here and simmers. You gonna get him?
Tyler bought this saddle here. He makes the big bucks. Hold it like that.
Yeah?
These are actually really good quality made saddles right here. I mean, the company is Corriente. Not sponsored at all. Tyler had to buy the thing, but I tried to tell him that we wanted them to sponsor. Let's see. Here you go. Just like this right here. There you go. Now you're ready. Now you're ready. You caught him, man!
But anyway, this is a Corriente saddle. We use them, rope big cattle with these things here. I've never had one break. There's some people that say they've had some trouble with them. I've got handmade stuff, and I've got a few of these. Tyler bought this one right here. I've never had any trouble with them, never.
Where is that bread?
Now that's some good bread she's bringing out right here, everybody. We've had it for a few days here. I just seen it last night and noticed we forgot to Eat that stuff.
Okay, I don't need the tail.
Here he goes. There's the rope. Hold on. He don't need my help. Do you skip by? He knows exactly how to do it. Watch this. Here he goes, everybody. Whoa!
Let's try that again.
Okay. Whoa, he roped his tail. You got him by the tail, Scooter Bite. Scooter Bite, how did you get to be the best cowboy ever?
God.
Woo! He always gives the credit to the Lord.
We love to walk out to our garden together to get some basil.
Yes, we do.
Look at that.
That's a pumpkin.
Oh, I came out here to get basil.
We've had an extreme rain, everybody. I mean, it's been just pouring rain. Hey, baby, we got green beans over here. Let's make a harvest. Go in there and get the harvest basket.
Oh, we need, Cece's got it. Cece brought the basket.
You have to look in here close, everybody, but they here. Lord have mercy, call the neighbors. Mom, we got enough to divide this up right here. We called everybody. We got a big green bean and a big okra.
Y'all, I never saw that.
You didn't see it coming? Just like blessings in your life. You never saw that blessing coming. And here it is.
What?
Everybody, I didn't know it was there. And I'm telling you, that's just the way blessings work in our life. You may be looking all around and you can't see that joker, and all of a sudden you look one day and be like, there it is. Mama, we'll go cook it tonight.
There's another pumpkin. Daddy, you're gonna have a lot of
This pumpkin
pumpkins.
is out of control. I'm gonna be honest
There's
with you,
another
this thing
pumpkin
right
like-
here's a maniac. Y'all,
Look.
as I'm up in this okra, there's more than I can
Look
count
right here, though.
There's
What is
definitely
that?
enough. Oh my goodness. I don't know what that is. That's something from outer space. We're gonna pluck him because I just think he ain't right in that root.
Okay. Jonah sits over here and snacks on the peppers. We should have came out here and got some of these tomatoes and made some fried green tomatoes to go with our stew, but it's too late now. It's almost time to eat.
Mom, it ain't too late, girl. It ain't never too late. I got some okra and green beans in here. That's creamy. That's really good right there. Lord have mercy on my soul. Gonna get a lot of olive oil so we can hold them saddles up. Olive oil every day can help you. I'll go into some detail here. No, I'll get deleted out on this.
They want to see you make your smoothie. Y'all,
Here's
the
deal.
only
Fallon
reason.
deletes me out because she's afraid people
No.
gonna think that I'm a doctor.
No.
And I know there's a lot of wisdom coming out of this.
The
mouth
only
right here.
reason that I edit it out is because y'all, it is so like it will be 20 minutes long because he
I'm
goes
trying to tell you how to live a longer
into
life.
extreme detail.
You talk to a man that's got all his wisdom teeth. There's a lot of wisdom coming out right here.
We just stopped to look at mini iced oatmeal cookies and Titus disappeared. Ooh, canning supplies. We just beheld pumpkins. What? Oh, found him.
What could this mean?
He's
What
trying to
else
play a
could
trick.
we use this for? That's all I'm asking. I'll show you. Basically, they're little porcupine eggs. Getting them horses' tails, the best thing to do for that is to not cut your horse's tail off, is to just soak it in baby oil and they'll come right.
Yeah, then you just comb them right out.
What?
Stop, you're so crazy.
What?